Hey, Sean Devlin, the Mortgage Shoes Man, 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 Shoes Man. Hey, Sean Devlin, the Mortgage Shoes Man. Hey, Sean Devlin, the Mortgage Juice Man, coming at you with Thursday's Thoughts. Thursday's Thoughts coming at you. You know what? Already taking I Got a Guy questions this morning, making things happen. So I'll be in the office doing that all day, for sure. But today I'm talking about a strike zone that is dear and near to my heart, and that is to help veterans of VA loans. Another great strike zone that I have to help veterans buy home. 100% financing, zero down. You can do the cash out up to 100%. I'm going to go over some guidelines on the program. I'm going to give you some quick little tips on it. But this is a loan. If you send in a check as a broker, a $100 check needs to be sent in once a year to any and all lenders that you as a broker, a TPO, third-party originator, actually do VA loans with. And if you send in that check to anybody, should definitely be us. We are a great VA lender. I'm going to go over some cool things that make us stick out as a great lender for VA. So number one, I go down to 580 on VA. I love it. 100% up to 1 mil. Okay. So, there is a chart on different funding fees and max funding amounts, if you will, the funding fee for VA. And it's based on down payment. It's based on transaction type, and it's based on military service. So whether it is you were in the regular military versus like a reservist or National Guard. So I'm going to put that on the blog today to help everybody. I do suggest as a best practice that you always disclose the highest funding fee on a VA loan in the beginning, no matter what. Because it can always go down, can't go up. So don't get it wrong. I will provide the chart though. All right, so check it out. VA seller's concession seems to be one that people miss sometimes. So I'm going to go over 4% is your max seller contributions on a VA loan. It is not 6% like FHA or USDA. So it's important to know that. Second, let's go into DTI real quick. DTI is pretty sweet. On the VA loan, there is no written guideline for DTI. It's actually quite amazing. A few weeks ago, I saw the highest DTI approved eligible that I've ever seen on any loan. It was a VA loan. So it can be run on both DU and LP. That means Fannie or Freddie can do the VA loan that way. We can even, if you don't get the approval there, we can even do a manual underwrite. Now, a manual underwrite, you do have to have a residual requirement that is met on these VA loans. So I can also provide the link for that as well on today's blog. But I will tell you that on a manual, typically it's 41 DTI. However, if you exceed the requirement for the residual requirement by over 50%. So if you exceed it by 50%, we can actually go to 50% DTI on a manual with no factors. That's huge. A lot of brokers use me because of that. So I will tell you, we are a great lender to help you get these VA loans done. And done right. Now, one of the biggest things I see come back to haunt people on VA loans is it's not just like a FHA. If they pay child care expenses, such as daycare, preschool, something like that they paid for, that has to be included in the debt to income ratio on a VA loan. It can come back and haunt you if you don't include child care expenses on a VA loan. It comes back to haunt you for sure. You got to include it in the DTI. That is the trick of the day and the strike zone of the day. VA home loans are fantastic. I would love to price out one with you today. Price me out. See how we stack. We're great price on VA. So again, if you send in any $100 check to any lender, I hope we are one of them. My name is Sean Devlin, the Mortgage Juice Man, coming at you with Thursday's thoughts on VA to help the vets. Share it around, like, repeat. Have yourself a wonderful day. Sell well. I'm in the office all day already talking. I got a guy. Let's go. Sell well.